Hello everyone, coming to you from my underground bunker in Florida with some juicy new updates for 2025 on Frontier's GoWild program. Grab your beer and your popcorn, let's go! I travel a lot, that's for sure. I'm never home, I'm always on the go. My friends are always asking me how I deal with jet lag, which is another video. And they also ask me how I afford all of this travel, all of this airfare. They call me a jet setter. I'm no jet setter, I'm not rich by any stretch of the imagination, but I do have a secret weapon, and that's my GoWild pass that I use from Frontier. And I'm going to share with you some of my trips for 2025 to make the most of it. Well, let's start with the two biggest changes. The first, that you can book via the app and not just on the website, and the second, the fact that you can book round-trip airfare. Now, I've included a couple screenshots from the app where I made a pretend trip from Chicago to Phoenix and from Phoenix back to Chicago, and you can see the ease on doing it for a round trip. You pick GoWild, it gives you the options, and it's easy as 1, 2, 3. Now, oftentimes they're not as flexible as you'd like them to be, but there's always an avenue to get a round trip ticket now. One of my favorites for 2025 is the new GoWild weekly newsletter. It comes out, I believe, on Thursdays via email each week, and it shows you the trends on what's upcoming for this weekend and what's selling out quickly for GoWild. It shows you the most popular options from your locale, so of course you can focus on those. It'll show you how many seats are left so you can jump on it and not miss out. This is a beautiful option because it was always a mystery. You'd have to play with the app till the last second to figure out what was going on and know exactly when you could have a chance to fly. Well, here's a chance to know early, and this is amazing. Another great feature that was added is the ability to book further in advance. I've played around and had the opportunity to have the system give me dates as far as 30 days in advance for booking with GoWild. Now, once in a while, there are some dates in between there that are sold out or that are not options, but it does give you a wide variety of itineraries to select from in the future, and it allows you to do it not only in the international flights, but also on domestic ones as well. So that's another great feature for 2025. Be sure and stay tuned till the end. I'm going to show you how to get gold status without having to get 20,000 points. Don't miss it. Stay till the end. So, of course, a program like this, we're going to have some blackout dates. Here's a breakdown of what's left for this season. October 9th and 10th, the 12th, the 13th, November 25th, 26th, 29th, and 30th, December 1st, the 20th through the 23rd, the 26th through the 31st, and starting the new year, January 1st, January 3rd through 4th. January 2nd is open, however. the piece de resistance. Frontier Airlines offers Elite Gold status through 2026 to members of other airline loyalty programs for just $69. The link's at the end of the program. Be sure to visit and take advantage of this offer. This would have cost nearly 20,000 miles in their normal loyalty program. This will give you a free carry-on bag, priority boarding. You'll be able to normally pick a seat and an upgraded seat. And their offer goes until the end of 2026, so that's another way to extend the GoWild offer into a magnificent program where you also have bags. Be sure to get both in concert if you're going to get the GoWild program. Thanks for tuning in.